You're going to love today's episode as I tackle raising the massive 14-foot tall front wall. We'll find out why I had to do some sketchy wall climbing, and I will show you how I made this massive wall plumb using ratchet straps, and finally how I finished all the sheathing on the outside. So let's jump right into it.
No. Remember, the joists are going this way, so we had potentially nothing to attach this to properly. Luckily enough, there's actually a piece of blocking between those joists that is right here on this line, and we were able to like screw it in properly. And then I added additional screws, like something like that. What is this? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whew. Any chance you can hold this? I don't know if you can tell, but the wind has been nuts today. I think it's gusting at 30-40 miles per hour. So it's obviously not safe to try and raise this wall. Even putting the hoist in place, we had to brace them in place because it was actually getting dangerous. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow till the wind dies down. You can also see here that I did not have enough room to like install the hoist. So I just went back and cut a little notch here in that OSB, which was overhanging. I mean, not a big deal. We'll fix it later on once the wall is raised.
How did you do this on your own?
I don't know. Just one click and pull it, do one, and pull, do one. It's really annoying. What was that? Well, I guess it's probably, I think we're good. It's probably a stud on the side or something. I think those things are going to be in the way. I should have moved that arm up. I forgot. I don't know how else I could just climb on that wall from the other side. I mean, if I go here, this is kind of safe even if it falls. I might just... That's going to be two. This is how you test your engineering. I'm becoming a real framer, just putting my life on the line. Ah! Okay, other one. Ooh, I don't want to end up like that.
I would put that piece in your video.
What? I'd be like, this guy is stupid. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the max right here. Well, I don't feel bad. I mean, 16 is the longest I could do. Yeah, no, I think what we should do is we should race it and we should just move those two backward. We just push them further because those give us the ability to still be safe and pull it. Yeah. Yeah. If we do one at a time, then yeah, we should be definitely good. Oh, I don't think you're gonna. I mean, is that enough? Find out. Am I going the wrong way? Yeah. I just want to get it tight, that's it. That should be good. I think they'll just slide away. They'll just slide. That's it. Oh, not you, but me. I'm there. Oh, it's tight. Yeah. Oh yeah, keep going. Ah, that's it. I mean, yeah, that's good. I mean, that's it. Ooh. Yeah, this is this is tall enough. I was like, oh, I wish I'd done 912. No. Where's the joist? So the wall has been raised, and while this is a pretty good achievement, I still have problems I have to figure out. If you look here, this is actually completely out of level. The wall is actually pushing out, so I need to fix it, especially today, because there's gonna be a lot of winds tomorrow, Saturday, and after tomorrow, Sunday. So I need to get it done today. So the wall needs to be like this to be level. So we're really not there yet at all. So the idea is that we're gonna try and attach this and pull the wall so that I can remove the braces and pull it, hopefully manage to pull it to be straight. So I'm gonna find out if this is a good idea or not. So I'm also getting up here because I need to disconnect the angle from this guy. Too tight. I need to untie it first. First, I have to loosen this up a little bit. There we go. Here's one. And here is two. There's one. There's it. Oh my gosh, the wind. It's not supposed to start till tomorrow. I don't need that right now. Not too bad. So we're gonna try and attach this to a joist below. About, I don't know, hopefully here somewhere, 16. Yeah. We got it. Now I can remove this. That's free now. This brace is free. It's kind of scary. So all the braces are free. And now, well, let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it kind of moved itself back a little bit, so that's good. And now we just have to see if we can force it to be a little bit better. Well, I saw it moved. Oh yeah, that's pretty dead level now. That's awesome. Oh yeah, you gotta see this. You see that? Oh yeah, beautiful. And now that we're satisfied, I just have to go back and put those braces back in. So the next step now is that I want to fill out the sheathing here that I had left so that I have a nice overlap over the side of the wall. So that's 21 1/4, 21 1/8. Oh yeah, I know this is. This wind is driving me nuts. This is what we call sketchy. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna make it work. Oh, okay. This is too short on this side. How is that possible? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I didn't cut a straight line. Sort of don't feel safe at all. Here is the little piece that I was missing. Bam. I mean, that's not great, but it's not gonna waste this fine piece of OSB just for this strip that I messed up. So here is one of the mistakes I made. You can see here that I have this sticking out on this side. If I had saw a little bit more, this should have been on the other side because, as you know, right now I'm trying to put my sheathing all the way back down to here. So obviously that's in the way. It kind of sucks, but the solution is that you can see that this is about 3/4 of an inch. So it's much thicker than the sheathing that's gonna be applied. So I don't know. Either I just cut it off and add more screws here at the bottom, or I can just shave it and you know, make it as thin as this. I haven't decided yet, so let me think about it for a second. Honestly, I think the easiest way is I'm just gonna remove all the screws, remove the bolt, cut it here, and then what I'll do is I'll add GRKs here and then a plate on the other side, and it will be fine. I mean, I wish I didn't have to do that, but that's just the easiest way at this point. So I'm just gonna untie this. Oh, wow. It's actually not that easy at all. Whoa.
Ah, here we go. Aha! Gotta use your head. Ah, here we go. Oh, there you go. So I already had screws here, so it's holding it in place, so I know it's not gonna move anywhere. And I'm just gonna treat the cuts I just made so that it doesn't rot. And so now, to really attach it, I'm gonna use my Simpson screws. Theoretically, I'm not supposed to, because they're not supposed to be used for outdoor use, but oh well. I'm gonna use 3 of them, and we're gonna just have them go in each ply that's above. So that one's done. Just have to do the same thing here and here. First thing is to kind of find out how much depth I need. The wind, stop it. The wind is not making my life easier. Okay, so I need 46 and 1/8, so 46. See what I have to deal with right now? Oh, that's heavy. Boo, boo, boo. Okay, bye-bye. This is still not attached, so well, actually, you see how this is sticking out here? Yeah, I need to cut this. Okay. Okay. Bam! Boom, that's it. We're not moving anywhere anymore. So make sure to locate your bottom plate, which is, here, and you can see it here where it was nailed, because that's your edge. And so you'll want to nail that 4 inches on center. So I'm finally done with installing all the sheathing. As you can see, it was definitely a little sketchy, especially, being on top of the ladder and getting those 2 final pieces up there. I mean, hopefully I had secured everything, but yeah, I'm glad that it's done because it wasn't funny at all, especially with all that wind.
Look at this. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? This was another major milestone. It's actually starting to look like a cabin. But anyway, do you like fast-paced, cool time-lapses? Well, definitely check out the next episode here where I get to build and raise the last exterior wall, and it's gonna be amazing. So what are you waiting for? Click on that link.